Okay, we have already created users and we have learned how to remove users or delete them. Now we're going to learn how to create groups. Why do you need groups? Because you might have different groups. Say the company you're working for has an HR team, and then it has a payroll team, and then it has a developers team. So you want to keep different users in different groups, and that's why you need to create them. So the command is very simple: sudo group add, and let's call payroll. Okay. And I've just created a group, and now I'm gonna move one of the users that we have created earlier into this group. So we have a user named Jose. Okay, so what we're gonna do is sudo user mod -a -g payroll Jose. Okay, so the -a option tells user mod we are appending, and the -g option tells user mod we are appending to the group name that follows the option. And now just to check and make sure that actually this user is added in the group payroll, we're gonna grep payroll in etc group, and as you can see, our user has been added in this group. Okay, now that we have created a group, we'll learn how to delete it. Group del, and then I'm gonna hit tab twice, and let's see if our group is there. And there are a lot of other groups. Some are created by the system itself, and this is our group. So we're gonna try to remove this, and it's not gonna let me do it. And can you think of the reason why? Well, because I'm not using sudo and I'm not a root user, so it's going to complain. Permission denied. So I'm going to do user, and I'm going to use group del payroll, and now I have been able to delete it. More on etc group. And if we were to do a grep payroll in etc group, we're not going to find anything. That entry is gone because we have removed it. Another way you can tell if a group exists or not is by the use of members command. And members command is not installed by default on most of the flavors of Linux. So what you can do is, like I'm on a Ubuntu machine right now, use apt-get install members, and that's how you install it. Or if you're using something like CentOS or Red Hat, then you'll say yum install members. And once you do that, then members and payroll, that was our group that we created. And as you can see, this group doesn't exist anymore. So instead of using that grep that we were trying to use earlier, this is a better way of doing it just with one command. But as I said, you have to install this members package in order to use this command.